My will present title question word. My name is Netra Krisdayanti Deli. Study ID number 64 25 10 86. Class 64 1C 24. Majoring in Management, Faculty of Economy and Business. Introduction. Question word are interrogative words used in English to obtain information about temples, people, object, ration, or methods. The words are often known as behan. Question because most of them begin with the letter limawe, such as what, where, when, why, what, was, and how. Explanation. Why we ask question word? We ask them to us about things, people, price, time, ration, quantity, methods. What? Ask to us about two things. Example. 1. What are you doing? 2. What do you think about me? 3. What is your bag? 4. What do you usually do after school? Where? Ask to us about place. Example. 1. Where is my handphone? 2. Where are you? 3. Do you know where my camera is? 1. Ask to us about people. 1. Who is the best football player in the world? 2. Who is the guy over there? 3. Who put the muffins in the freezer? Why? Ask to us about ration. 1. Why are the always late? 2. Why do you like coffee? 3. Why do you believe in God? When? Ask to us about time. Example. 1. When do the shop open? 2. When is his birthday? 3. When will you visit us? Weeks. Ask to us about food choice. 1. Which dish did you order? The pizza or the pasta? 1. Which is better? iOS or Android? 3. Which one do you like? The blue one or the red one? How? Ask to us minor or condition. Example. 1. How does he know the answer? 2. How can I learn English quickly? 3. How are you today? Other form of how. How many, how much, menanyakan jumlah. How old, menanyakan umur. How long, menanyakan durasi. How often, menanyakan frekuensi. Struktur of a question. Struktur kalimat tanya. Question word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus object. Example. Where do you live? Question word where. Auxiliary do. Subject sama dengan you. Verb sama dengan live. How many? How much? Ask for the amount. How many? As used with countableness. Be used in positive, negative, and interrogative intention. Example, countable noun bentuk jamak. Jamak, study, oranges, cat, boot, table, house, dan lain-lain. Example, 1. There are many books on the table. 2. How many study are in the class? 3. How many customers do you get? 4. How many candies did you eat? How much? How much? 1. Used with countable nouns. 2. Mostly used in negative sentences dan question. Example, uncountable noun. Noun. Rice, flour, water, oil, tea, coffee, milk, dan sebagainya. Example, how much water will you drink? How much sugar do you need? How much money do you have? How much sugar do you need? How old? How old menanyakan umur. Example, how old are you? How old is that building? How old is he? How long? How long digunakan untuk menanyakan durasi berapa sesuatu terjadi. Rumus how long plus auxiliary do, does, the, have, has plus subject plus verb. Example, how long is the movie? How long does it take to get to school? How long have you left here? How often? Rumus how often plus auxiliary, do, does, did plus subject plus verb. Example, how often do you study English? How often do you go to school? How often does he play football? Combined question. Pertanyaan gabungan. Combined question, pertanyaan gabungan. Example, where do you live and why do you like it? Kamu tinggal di mana dan kenapa kamu menyukainya? What time do you wake up and how long do you study? Jam berapa kamu bangun dan berapa lama kamu belajar? Everyday conversation, percakapan sehari-hari. Example, what's your name? My name is Netra. Where do you live? I live in Chabarusa. Why do you study English? Because it is important. Practice fill in the blanks, isi bagian kosong. Is your favorite food? Teaches English. Do you go to school? Quiz Lab 1. Teaches English. A. What? B. Who? C. Where? 2. Are you happy? A. Why? B. How? C. C. When? Summary atau review, ringkasan, question words are essential in English. They help us get information about things, people, time, ration, quantity, and wise. Thank you.